Take a look at this channel. It's got just 4 videos, but it already has 93.1k subscribers. The very first video has 404k views and 62.8k subscribers. Even the first video has 222,000 views. There are loads of channels like this on YouTube. But before we get into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button to support my channel. YouTube is always changing, and it's clear that many new YouTubers are getting a lot of views on their first videos. But there's a reason for this. When new channels post their first videos, they often get thousands or even millions of views. After looking closely at these channels, it's obvious they share 3 things in common, which I'll talk about soon. Recently, YouTube's system for picking videos to show has changed. It's now giving more attention to smaller creators like you and me. This change was influenced by TikTok, which uses a similar system. On TikTok, new accounts often get lots of views on their first few videos. When creators see all these views, it motivates them to keep making more videos. For TikTok, this means more content, more users, and more money. Now, YouTube is doing something similar. But there's a catch. Your video needs to be really good. YouTube used to promote videos based on how often a creator posted. But now, it's focusing more on keeping viewers interested. Small creators are benefiting from this change and making a lot of money. But how can you take advantage of this? It all comes down to the quality of your next few videos. But how can you tell if your video is good quality? Well, YouTube looks at 3 things: how long people watch your video on average, the title, and the thumbnail. If you can consistently perform well in these 3 areas, even if you don't have a single subscriber, yet YouTube's algorithm will push out your content to millions of people. This specific channel had only 3 subscribers before posting their first video, but after a full 2 days of careful editing, the video was uploaded and is now racked up over 1 million views. But what can you learn from this? Choose a topic that interests you. Create a script, record a simple voice. Voiceover, edit a compelling video that will keep viewers watching, and make sure to have an interesting title. And thumbnail for video editing, use Premiere Pro or CapCut. I personally use CapCut because it's easiest for me to work with. If Premiere Pro or CapCut doesn't suit you, find another software that works for you for script writing. I recommend ChatGPT and Cohesive for creating thumbnails. Use Photoshop, as it's the choice of 99% of YouTubers for creating thumbnails. But if you have a poor microphone and don't want to use it, use a program for voiceovers. My recommendation is 11 Labs, as I personally use it. And if you have a microphone but it's of low quality, it's better to use an AI tool for creating a voice. People you don't know will always give you the most honest tips. So if you're not sure how good your video or thumbnail is, ask a stranger, or even someone you do know, like a friend or family member. When you think your video is finally ready to be posted, upload it to YouTube and play the waiting game. YouTube will usually take about 2 days before pushing your video to the homepage and testing to see whether it's good or not. If the algorithm receives positive feedback from your click-through rate and average view duration, it will start sending it out to a larger audience. In conclusion, now is the easiest and best time to start growing a YouTube channel. So if you don't start now, when will you?